Hi and welcome to a short tutorial of the Smart Trading Toolbar. It comes with powerful tools to support you on your trading day. The toolbar has drop-down panels to easily open and close the tools you need during your trading. It will keep your chart screen neat and clean. The toolbar can easily be attached and moved on the chart. Just move your mouse, press P on your keyboard, and the toolbar will move to that position. There are 7 drop-down panels with different trading tools. So let's get started and take a closer look at these panels as well as do some example tradings. The first panel is the current market panel. Click on the first icon of the toolbar to open the panel. On the left, you see the price informations of the current bar. It shows the current price, as well as the open, high, and low price. Also you can find the volume of the bar and the open time and date. The strength of the volume is indicated by 5 diamonds, which compares the volume strength of the last 20 bars. On the right you see the current spread informations, the highs and low, as well as the average of your broker's spread. It also will show the currency pairs of your chart, the time frame you are currently on, and the time left until the next bar starts. An orange line will also visualize the time left until the next bar starts. There are 2 on and off switches on top, which will plot the current price on the chart, and a colored bar to visualize the spread. At the bottom of the panel you see the strength of buyers and sellers, and in which direction the price is currently moving. Next is the one-click order panel, a powerful tool that will make your tradings a lot easier. Click on the second icon of the toolbar to open the one-click order panel. There are many settings, and it might be a bit confusing at the beginning, but let's go through it now. In the main settings, you can set the risk percent per order, the stop-loss value, and the take-profit value in pips. Also the risk-reward ratio can be changed manual by clicking the plus or minus buttons. The risk will be calculated based from your balance amount, your equity amount, or from a custom amount you enter in the deposit field. All values that are marked with a golden rectangle can be edited by clicking into its field. You can use a magic number for each order, or switch it off to have no magic number. You can change the magic number to track on different strategies. For the trade execution, you need the MT4 auto trading function to be activated. Also the one-click order expert advisor, which comes together with this software, must be placed on a chart with the same currency pair. Everything starts with a virtual buy or sell line. There are 6 types of orders, 2 execution orders and 4 pending orders. Move your cursor above the current price, and press S on your keyboard to place a virtual sell limit order. There will be a pending order line, with stop loss and take profit areas plotted on the chart. S on your keyboard will place a virtual sell order, and B will place a virtual buy order. Now you are ready to execute that pending order by pressing the Place Order button. As you can see, the lot size will always be calculated automatically, to make sure the loss will never be greater than the risk you set. All virtual lines can also be dragged on the chart, to easily place them to a position you want. The correct values will be calculated instantly. To close a virtual line without placing an order, just press the Close button. If you want to place a buy or sell execution order, click the Follow button, and the virtual line will now follow the current price. The take profit or stop loss lines still can be dragged, but the buy-sell line will now stick to the current price. You also can lock the stop-loss line by pressing the Lock button. As you can see, the stop loss line will not follow anymore, and can be fixed at a point you want the stop loss to be. The lot size will instantly be calculated, with every update of the current price. Now you only need to press the Place Order button, to execute a buy or sell order. With the one-click order function, you can open orders 10 times faster, with just one click, because it will calculate the lot size automatically, based on your settings of stop loss, take profit, and your money management settings. It is the easiest way to open execution or pending orders, and by the use of virtual lines, you control visually where your orders will be placed. Let's get now to the Running Orders panel. Click on the third icon of the toolbar to open the Running Orders panel. Here you can manage your pending and live orders from all currency pairs. Let's place a sell limit order by moving the cursor above the current market price. Press S on your keyboard for a sell limit virtual line. Press E on your keyboard to execute placing and pending order with the settings of the one-click order panel. The order will be listed in the panel. You will see the ticket number, the currency pair, the type of order. In this case, it is a sell limit order. The lot size, the open price, and the current profit. As it is a pending order, the order is not yet executed, and has no profit or loss. At the end, you see two little icons. An eye symbol, to show the order on the chart visually, and an arrow down symbol, to view more options. At the options, you can either close the order, by pressing the 100% button, or you can close an order partially, by 25%, 50%, or 75%. Also there is a button, to move your stop loss to break even. A pending order cannot be closed partially. Only executed orders can be closed partially. Now let's do a pending buy order. Move your cursor below the current price, and press B on your keyboard. Press F on the keyboard, and the virtual line will follow the current market price for an execution order. Now, you cannot drag the line anymore, as it follows the current price. Pressing F again will make the virtual line to unfollow the current market price, and you can now drag the line to other positions. Now let's press E to execute placing the pending order. To place virtual buy or sell lines, you can use these hotkeys on your keyboard. Press B to place a virtual buy line at the cursor position. Press S to place a virtual sell line at the cursor position. Press F to follow the current market price for an execution buy or sell order. Press F again to unfollow the current market price. Press X to lock the virtual stop loss line. Press X again to unlock the virtual stop loss line. Press E to execute and place the order. Press C to close the virtual lines without placing the order. Clicking on the eye symbol will switch between the orders. Let's close now the sell limit order by clicking on the 100% button. Below of the running orders listing, there is an auto trade function. It will automatically close all running orders when the profit target you set here is reached. On the switch, in order to use the auto trade function. Below, you have three quick buttons: to close all pending orders, to close all orders, and to close all orders that are in profit at the moment. Let's get to the Advanced Account panel. Click on the fourth icon of the toolbar to open the Advanced Account panel. Here you can see all your profits and all your trades you made. The calculation of profit is made by the deposit amount that you can set on the top left. The percent of profit or loss will instantly be displayed for your current account balance. Select the order history by monthly, weekly, or daily view. The monthly history will show the profit results of the last 12 months. It displays the period, the amount of trades you made, the amount of buy and sell trades, the monthly profit, and the percent calculated from the deposit amount. Changing the deposit amount will instantly update the percent calculation. The amount of month to display can be changed on the upper right. You can display 1 until 12 month. The weekly history will display the results of the last 12 weeks of your trading. The amount of weeks to be displayed can be changed from 1 until 12 weeks as well. The daily history will show you the current weekdays from Monday until Friday. All history orders can be plotted to the chart by clicking the on and off switch on top. The size of the price label can be changed for a better view from 1 very small until 5 very big. The use of magic numbers can come into place here as well. If you on the Use Magic button, it will only display history orders with that magic number. Also, all calculations for the monthly, weekly, and daily orders will list only the history orders with that specific magic number. So here you are able to calculate the success on different strategies by using different magic numbers. If you off the use of magic numbers, all history orders with and without magic numbers are taken in calculation. Let's go to the next panel. Click on the fifth icon of the toolbar to open the Market Sessions panel. It is quite vital to know when the market sessions are starting, overlapping, and ending. At the top left, your broker's date and time, and to which time zone your broker operates, is shown first. In our case, the broker is running at GMT +0, which means the broker time is exactly on GMT time, or Greenwich Mean Time. Next is the local time of the customer's location. In this case, we are currently in Thailand, which is 7 hours ahead of Greenwich time. Below, you see the current status of the market sessions. It will display the markets, the current time and date of these markets, the GMT offset, and the open or closed status. There are 6 markets displayed: the New Zealand dollar market, the Australian dollar market, the Japanese yen market, the euro market, the GBP market, and the US dollar market. The times are adjusted automatically, including the daylight saving periods, which changes the GMT offsets. The daylight saving times are always changing on different dates. In New Zealand, for example, the time is changed on a different date than the Australian market. The US is changing its time for daylight saving on a different date than Europe. We've done a massive research to make it work accurately, to give you the best status information on the market sessions. On the top right, there is of course also an on and off switch to plot the market sessions on the chart. In this way, you can visually see the market sessions beginning, currently overlapping, and ending periods. You can also select how many days of sessions are displayed on the chart, which lets you look to sessions further backwards. Let's go to the 5-minute chart to see the sessions displayed on a different time frame. You can move the panel by placing the cursor position to the middle of the chart and press P on your keyboard. Switch on the button to display the market sessions. At the moment we have 2 markets, the Euro market session and the Japanese yen market session overlapping. In a few minutes, the GBP market session will open and the Japanese yen market will close. Let's get to the Drawing Objects panel. Click on the 6th icon of the toolbar in order to open the Drawing Objects panel. Here you can place some pre-formatted objects onto the chart. During trading, we sometimes need to mark certain patterns or build-ups that formed. To do this, just move your mouse to the place where you want an object to appear and press the according key on your keyboard. A list of available objects and the according keys you can find here. The size of an object can be easily changed by clicking into the size field and change the value. All objects that are placed on the chart will be counted and shown on the top left. At the Remove options, there are two buttons to either delete all objects on chart, or delete the last object placed on the chart. By pressing R on your keyboard, you can delete the last object too. You can place trend lines on the chart, and move them to mark a trend on your chart. Or simply place a support and resistance area to your chart, and move it to its place. An ellipse is very useful to mark trend changes or certain build-ups on the chart. All objects come with a pre-formatted color scheme that can be adjusted at the indicator's preferences. Right-click on the chart and select Indicators List from the pop-up menu. Double-click on the indicator name. Select the tab Inputs, and then go to Objects on Chart Color. While time moves on, the objects will also move out from the view area of the chart. At the Remove options, there is also an auto-delete function. You can switch it on, and delete all objects that are older than 30 days. The amount of days you can customize from 1 until 99 days. Let's go back in time to place some objects and let the tool auto-delete them. Now we have 6 objects on the chart. 3 objects are now 2 days back, and the other 3 objects are on today's chart. Let's select the auto-delete to 1 day, and switch the auto-delete function on. All objects that are older than 1 day will now automatically be removed from the chart. The last is the status panel. Click on the 7th icon on the toolbar in order to open the status panel. Here you find the account informations of your trading account and the license informations of the Smart Trading Toolbar indicator. It will show you the license type, license period, expiring date, and how many days are left until your license will expire. To renew your license, you can visit anytime to our website at start2forex.com and purchase a new license. Renewing a license will give you additional discounts. All informations of that you can find at our website. So let's do now a live trading to see the tool in action. In a few seconds the GBP market will open. Having a strong down move, we assume that the price will correct itself when the GBP session starts. We will place a buy order by pressing B on the keyboard. Now let's set the stop loss and the take profit to 2 pips. The risk we will set to 0.3%. Next we click Follow for a buy order and press the Place Order button. The Running Order panel icon has changed its color to orange to indicate that an order is currently running. Here we can see the order is listed, see its current gross and net profit. By clicking the upper switch to on, we can also see the current live order information on the chart. At the option menu, we now have all buttons for partially closing the order or for placing the stop loss to break even activated. Let's try out the auto trade function and let the order close automatically on a target of $10. Let's fast forward to see how our trade is doing. When we came above $10, the order was closed automatically. Let's check our results at the Advanced Account panel. We have made a net profit of $11.18. If we switch the button Show on Chart to On, we can see the trade we made plugged on the chart. If we on the Use Magic Number and change the number, the trade will not be displayed anymore on the chart, or in the daily, weekly, or monthly listing. Switching the use of magic number to Off will display all trades with and without magic numbers. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching the short tutorial of the Smart Trading Toolbar.